Hello, and welcome to Best Reviews. If you're passionate about flying gadgets and looking for the top 5 best RC helicopters in 2025, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll showcase the most advanced, fun, and high-performing RC helicopters that will take your flying experience to the next level. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button so you never miss out on the latest reviews and top tech picks. And if you're interested in grabbing any of these amazing helicopters, you can find all the product links in the description box below. Let's get started. Kicking off our list is the 315mm UH-1, a true expert-level RC helicopter that packs advanced features for serious flyers. With a rotor diameter of 315mm, fuselage length of 297mm, and a height of 92mm, this model is designed for precision. It comes equipped with optical flow positioning, TOF laser radar, and an upgraded general bearing controller. The single propeller, aileronless design, combined with a 6-axis gyroscope and barometer, ensures rock-solid stability and altitude hold. You can even perform 3D rolling and upside-down flights. Plus, the scaled-down design gives it an authentic helicopter look, making it both a capable flyer and a stylish display piece. With long battery life and an upgraded controller that lets you switch between left and right-hand operation. At number 4, we have the C-189, a 1:28 scale replica of the MD-500 Defender military helicopter. This RC heli boasts a fly-barless design that delivers more power and stability, paired with a 6-axis gyroscope and 5-channel variable pitch structure for smooth, precise control. Powered by dual brushless motors, it achieves strong performance, higher speeds, and excellent maneuverability, even in windy outdoor conditions. For added convenience, it comes with smart hover technology and optional optical flow positioning, allowing for steady altitude hold without constant adjustments. With its balance of power and precision, the C-189 is perfect for both beginners who want stability and experienced pilots who want performance. Next up at number 3 is the GoolRC C-129V2, a compact yet powerful helicopter built for portability and fun. This 4-channel heli includes multiple functions such as up, down, left, right, forward, backward, side fly, and even 3D flips. Its aileronless design gives it enhanced flexibility and flight stability, while the aerodynamically engineered propeller generates strong power and excellent self-balance. Equipped with a 6-axis gyroscope and altitude hold, the C-129V2 makes flying easy, even for beginners. With its lightweight size and included 2 batteries, this is a go-anywhere helicopter that delivers both stability and excitement on demand. Sliding into second place, we have another MD-500 inspired design, the GoolRC 189 Black Edition. Modeled after the iconic Little Bird helicopter, this 1:28 scale aircraft offers up, down, forward, backward, and rotational flight with impressive stability. Its 4-channel, aileronless structure combined with a 6-axis gyroscope ensures steady control and smooth hovering. Optical flow technology further enhances position holding, making it beginner-friendly while still appealing to advanced pilots. With aerodynamic propellers, powerful performance, and a portable design, the C-189 Black Edition strikes the perfect balance between style, precision, and accessibility. Finally, taking the top spot is the GoolRC single-propeller RC helicopter, a versatile choice for beginners and casual flyers. It features an aileronless design with aerodynamically engineered propellers that deliver both strong power and excellent stability. Using 6G mode with a 6-axis gyroscope, it offers steady and reliable flight that's especially easy to control for newcomers. The modular battery system comes with intelligent power management, quick installation, and long-lasting durability. Safety is also a priority, with features like low-voltage alarms, locked rotor protection, and runaway protection,